All right, this next problem reads, which of the following is a rational number? Now, let's review our definitions. Remember, a rational number can be a decimal that's repeating or terminating, or it can be written as a fraction. It could also be like whole numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any kind of negative, -1, -2, -3, but it has to be irrational. Now, irrational numbers are decimals that have no end or never repeat and can't be written as fractions. So let's kind of look through our answer choices. Remember, our most common irrational numbers, so we use the capital P to represent irrational. The most common irrational numbers are square root of 2, square root of 3, pi. We can never write those as decimals that stop or repeat. For rational, remember we use the letter Q for rational number. Examples of that could be like 20, -3.8. Notice how that stops. A fraction, 20/7. Or some kind of decimal that repeats itself. So like 1.3 repeating. So let's test it. What I would recommend is just typing it into your calculator. So let's go ahead and try the first option. So the square root of 2 divided by 2. Now, if you're on just a regular TI-84, you'll have to close the parentheses here. When I do that, I get 7.071067812. If I try to change it to a fraction by doing math, enter, enter, it doesn't work. So A is not rational. Let's try another. So option B is the square root of 2 minus 2 raised to the 2. I don't see any repetitiveness, so I'm going to do math, enter, enter. Nothing happens, so it's out. All right, let's try the next one. Well, I should recognize that the square root of 100 is 10. So the square root of 100 is 10. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. Well, 2 is a rational number, so the answer is C. We should automatically cut off D because D is a common irrational number, the square root of 3. Now let's go ahead and try the last one just to show 3 plus the square root of 3. Quantity raised to the 2. Math, enter, enter. Does not work either. Gives me another decimal. So the correct answer is C.